Yeah, that's it. Now turn. Walking forward. Walking. Oh, good. And down. Flexion. That's better. Flexion. Continue. 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 Let him work. Keep him down. Keep him down. Keep him down. Move him a little bit in the neck. Make more movement in the neck. Yeah. Good. 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 That's it. That's it. Oh, saying that's good. Saying that's good. Oh, in the end it was a little bit slowly. That he was learning. He must learn to work. Lie it. Lie it. Oh. Not give up this line, because that's the way. Oh, now say good boy. Good boy. Look, that's the line you need.
Yeah.
And that's his problem. If you go on this lip, yeah, like this, more, and turn. Turn, stay forced. Turn, turn, turn. Oh, look, turn. Yeah, but continue, continue. Stay to the left side of your sit. Look to the, look to the left leg. Oh, good. Stay here, stay here, stay here. 2, 3, 4, 5, forward. Good, good. Still you can push it. Now you have a few moments where you continue, but you cannot push it. A little more jump, a little more jump, forward. Good. Good. Take flexion. Give that, there, like this. Not sure, like this. Now you can make it better. Oh, flexion. Lie. Yeah, and leger. Lie and loosen. Make him loose. Oh, continue, continue. Good boy. That's it. And out. Shoulder in, out. Shoulder in. Good. You see?
Yeah.
Hey, he made yours because he is so
So
hot. He was learning to stay. Continue. Make the connection from the hind legs to your hand. Oh. Up. Up in the legs, not in the neck. Good. 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 Oh. This. This. Look. That's good. Not too much pushing in the hind legs. You have to light the parrots in front. Light the parrots. Come. Up. 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 Right. 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 Not too much pressure. Not too much. Not too much. It's good enough. It's good enough. Right. Ah. Flexion, a little bit flexion in the neck. Ah, there, that's good. But with feeling on the bit. Not more pressure, not more. Continue the movement, continue this movement, not more. Not more. Ah, good. Forward. Good.
it also feels better today.
That's a little bit on the limit now.
Yeah.
The tempo is already a little bit on the limit. A little bit more perhaps. But that's the way you should do it. Right, that's it. Look, that's the massage you need. Good. Very good. Look. Oh, good. Take him back in the movement. Forward, forward. Like this. Very good. Oh, same. Good boy. Good. Very good. Very good. Oh.